Hello students, welcome to the online session for the subject of industrial safety. This subject is for the postgraduate students, for basically for the students of structural engineering and mechanical engineering. We have started the industrial safety subject and uh, and we have already completed the first and second module. We have already started the third module and now we are proceeding towards it. So yes, let's start with the first session. Contents. Basically the content that we are going to discuss in this session is introduction to the lubrication method, list of the lubrication methods, screw down grease up method, pressure grease gun, splash gun. So these three methods will be discussing. We will be discussing the lubrication method and introduction to the lubrication method. So let's start with our session. Now, why it is lubrication method is required? We all know that oil is very much required in the industry, particularly in any machine industry where the wearing used to take place in the machine. So, lubrication is only a method, with the help of which we can provide, we can reduce the wear and increase the design life of the equipment. So, yes, it is necessary that oil is required to be circulated in a desired manner so that it can continually move and make the surface, lubricate the surface and make the surface smooth. So, this is why we need a lubrication method. And this is only a purpose, this is the purpose why we are using this lubrication method because a single reservoir is required so that continuous flow of the oil is taking place and uh, we can continuously provide lubrication. Okay, so while moving, the roughness that is going to take place will get reduced, and there are many ways that the lubrication can be provided. It can be mixed with the steam, and and then it can be sent to the lubrication, or some automatical methods are also being used with, with the help of which we can uh, provide lubrication to our equipments. So yes, now we will be moving towards the lubrication methods. So first is individual lubricating method. So here we can say that the oil itself will move itself and it can provide lubrication. So well, when the oil move individually, then such type of method is termed as the individual method. Now we have the list of the individual methods. That is T-handle pressure grease, lever type grease gun, hydraulic pressure grease gun. These are the things that is used. These are the methods that is being used for the individual lubricating. Okay. Next is automated operated lubrication method. So means we can say that the arrangement is being done in such a way that oil itself will move and it will provide lubrication. It will move it by itself and it will be we can say that it can move itself to its located or required position. Many methods are oil mist lubrication method means we are providing mist in the form of a steam or a fog so that it can be joined. You can say that it can be reached to desired location with the least effort. Gravity lubrication by feed oil and side feed oil up. So means basically here the oil will move under its own gravity and it will feed means we can say that any arrangement can feed the oil to the desired location and we can see from it also we can see and that is why the another name that is written over here is side fill oil. We have the splash method, just a splash of oil is being made and it can be applied over the whole surface with the least efforts. And next is the link lubrication method. So these are the methods of automated operated lubrication method. Next is centralized lubrication method. Means a centralized pressure oil system is being used. Centralized grease system is being used. So these are the things that is being used for the. These are the methods that are used for the lubrication method. First is screw down grease method. Here, just we are applying the pressure by hand. And we are just applying. Here we have the arrangement. This is the hand screw down pressure. Here we can see the grease over here, and over that there is a ring. So a pressure is applied with the help of a hand only, means manually the pressure is applied, and it is mainly used in a location where the amount of the grease that is being used is quite less, small. So under that case we use screw down grease up method. Yes, so here the pressure is applied manually, then uh, then oil is used to lubricate cycle parts and sewing machine. And basically, grease are used for lubricating the side parts. And grease is done using the grease cup. The lid of this cup is screwed on to create the pressure. Here we can see that the lid is being made so that a pressure is created on the grease, and effect of grease to enter between the rubbing surface and lubricate them. Okay. So yes, this is how the pressure is being created. And as a result of this, the grease will move under high pressure, and as a result, it will be moved to the dissolution. So yes, the grease will move from here to the desired location. Next, pressure grease pump. Basically, here pump is being used, or any kind of lever is being used, where the pressure is applied with the help of that lever. So, in the high pressure, the grease will be ejected, and it will reach to desired location. Okay, and basically we can see the lever and hydraulic system in it. So here we can see a pressure that is being applied with the help of the lever. Lever is being used. Here also the lever is being provided, which will apply the pressure to it. Okay, here it is automated hydraulic, means it is provided inclination so that the uh, pressure is created by itself, and the least efforts it can be sent. Third is the type pressure gun. Here the pressure type pressure means here the pressure is being provided with the help of a X gun. Here also we have the lever. So by this we can put the pressure on the grease, and the grease will come out from this outlet, and it will be reached desired location. Next is the splash. Means we are providing the splash. In this system basically the mist is formed. Means we are making the oil droplet, and one by one the oil is being allowed to fall under its low pressure. So yes, here is the splash gun. So the droplets are being allowed to fall, and it will move this circulate. The oil is circulated on the working surface, and basically it will be providing the wetting surface and supply the oil to the friction. So here the wetting surface is being found, and it will move in the circular motion. The splash system is employed to lubricate, means it is just used to lubricate the piston, that is used to lubricate the cylinder wall, wood given pin, and IC engine. And fly weight of the rotating shaft is dipping into the oil of the reservoir. The oil is splashed on the wall, and it will stick to it. And as a result, a maximum pressurized wall will be made. Oil scraps and excess oil on the cylinder is sent back to the crank. So this is how the splash system will work. Okay, so this is Professor Akash R. Suthar, and you are now in the online session for the subject of industrial safety. Till now, we have already started the session, and we are about to complete the session. And yes, thanks for attending my session. See you in the next session. Thank you for attending.